Mark Carney's timing was immaculate. Speaking the night before the release of UK price inflation, the Bank of England governor remarked pointedly about what would happen to inflation if the pound kept falling. And that's exactly what is happening. UK consumer prices jumped 1.6% in December, the most in over 2 years. A weaker pound has lifted import costs for items such as food. Indeed, food looks to be finishing nearly 3 years of deflation. Prices for this subgroup went up month on month in December for the second consecutive period. While that will not please households, UK supermarket executives can cheer. Their shares have done well since the pound started falling after last summer's Brexit vote. The traders see a link between rising inflation and the profits of the supermarket retailers. In particular, shares of supermarkets such as Morrison and Tesco have outrun those of the broader retailing sector since then. That's understandable. In the past decade, supermarket share prices relative to the FTSE 350 retail index have shown some positive correlation with food inflation. Also, there is some alignment between their profit margins and inflation. Has the market got ahead of itself, though? Analysts at Exxon BNP Paribas note that cost inflation does not necessarily lead to prices going up. Usually, every 10% rise in sterling-denominated commodity inflation will only translate into about 1.5% of food price inflation. Exxon does, though, expect over 3% of added food inflation in the months ahead. Indeed, some smart hedge funds expect supermarkets will suffer in the current environment of rising costs. They have taken short positions on these retailers. Given that Mr. Carney's hawkish tone may well continue, look for UK supermarkets to remain in favor this quarter. According to data from the Financial Conduct Authority, 4 of the largest short positions are retailers. 2 of those are supermarkets. The declared short position on Morrison, for example, is 15% of its shares outstanding. A squeeze could be coming for this company and its peers.